In our last video, we demonstrated how to connect more than one Bluetooth device and stream audio to all of them at the same time using a software. Today we are making a video on how we can be able to achieve the same, but this time we are going to use a hardware. I want to introduce you to Anker Soundsync A3341. This is a Bluetooth receiver and a transmitter, so it can be able to receive Bluetooth signals and transmit them at the same time. So we are going to look into the features of this before we connect them to our Bluetooth devices. And right from the box, this is the gadget that you're going to get. And let's look at the interface. In the front, we have this big button with a LED indicator. We can use this button to turn it on or off or put the device in pairing mode. On the side here, we have a slider with a transmit and receive option. So if I want to put the device in receive option, I just slide it toward the receive mode. And if I want to transmit, which I want to do, I'll just slide it toward the transmit option. So at the back here, we have auxiliary option. This is where we use 3.5mm jack to input our audio. And also we have toslink, transmit and receive. We use this with optical audio. And then we have the USB. This is a micro USB. This is where we charge the device from. On this side, we don't have anything. And at the top, we have the brand name. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to connect our Anker Bluetooth transmitter and receiver to our tiny headset here and our regular Bluetooth headphones here. And then we are going to stream audio from our laptop to both of them at the same time. So this is how we are going to achieve that. So the first thing is you noted this auxiliary option. We are going to use that option to bring audio to our device. So I have this cable. I'll plug it in the auxiliary port. So on the other jack, we are going to plug it into our computer audio output, like that. So in short, we are going to stream audio from our laptop. The audio will get to our device, that's Anker Soundsync, and then this device will connect to our tiny headset there, and then to our regular headphone there, such that we are going to stream to both of the headsets at the same time. So this is how you go about it. But first, make sure that the audio output from your computer is selected to your headphones, not the internal speakers. And then you go ahead and turn on this device. It's now blinking, so you long press on this button for 5 seconds, it will turn on. And now it's blinking because it won't connect to any available device. Now I want to turn on my headset, and because they are in close proximity and they are both in pairing mode, they will connect by default. And as you can see, it's no longer blinking, which means they are now both connected. Now that we have this one connected, we'll have now to switch it off and now go to our headphone. We'll switch it on, and then in our device we're going to click to double click on it 2 times and then bring it close to our headphone, so that way they are going to pair automatically. So and we are going to place them close together, and you can see they are now well paired. So which means that if I put in any audio here to our device, and right now it's in a transmit mode, TX mode, we are going to get audio in both of our devices. So let's try to see whether that will work. So after pairing with our headset, the next thing is to turn our headset back on, like that. And you can see they are all connected. So that will be indicated by a green light. That green light will indicate that there's more than one device which are connected, and it's now ready to stream audio to all of them. So I'm going to play an audio from my laptop, and then let's see whether we are going to get audio from both of those. So I'm not the best when it comes to making such videos, but at least you get the concept. So actually they are both streaming, so let's see whether they are both working. I'll try to bring them close to the microphone and see whether it's going to work. I'm not sure. So that's the headset, and now let's see whether the headphone will whether we can hear it. So guys, that's everything. So I'm very happy that I got to do this. So thank you for watching the video all the way up to the end, and give us a subscription if you've not, and give us a like so that YouTube will know that we are doing something good, and see you in the next one.